Okay, I'm here live with my buddy Alex, and we are at the range. I better put my ear on. I got one ear out. Here we go, one ear plug. Now I'm ready for shooting. And I also have 4 other pistols here today. My Colt 1911, my CZ82, my Boberg XR9-S, and the Boss, the Glock 19. We're going to do like a 5 pistol challenge on some targets out there. That's 6, okay? So we'll load her up again. And ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna aim a little higher this time. Oh, that little slide bite got me that time. I'm gonna miss you, little gun. Let's go out here. See how I did that time. I think I did a little better. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, that's weird. Down there on the bottom left, I had a flyer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start off with my Colt, chambered in 45 ACP, and I'm going for the top right target. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next, we'll just do the Boberg. Get it out of the way, since it'll be my crappiest shooter. Start putting the magazine in backwards. Okay, the bottom right hand, far right target, Boberg XR9. That long pistol. That long trigger pull. Wow, I'm shooting way right. Flinch. Okay. Well, that's the pistol I need to practice with. Okay, next is the CZ82. We'll go for the bottom middle. This is one of my favorite little pistols. Fits perfectly in your hand. It's balanced well. Flinching a little bit. I'll kind of work on that. Looks like I did okay. That looks like about a 6-inch group. Maybe we'll measure them here in a minute. Okay, last but not least, certainly, is my carry option. Glock 19, bottom left target. I guess I cheated. I had more rounds in there.
I had to scratch my head.
You had to scratch your head?
Yeah.
Alex has agreed to enter the 5 pistol challenge with me. He's just going to shoot the Glock 19.
Oh. For a second I thought you were saying shoot all the...
No, I'll spare you.
Okay.
What I want you to do, Alex, is shoot that bottom right. You see that bottom right target?
Yeah, that you missed.
That's my Boberg target, and I really didn't do very well on that. So
alright.
You can use that target.
Okay. So
and let's see if we can get some in the black there.
So what did I do last time? Did you aim low?
No, just aim right for the center.
Okay.
Of the black area. Put your magazine in.
Okay. Oh, whoop.
Yeah, it's not the Boberg has both Alex and I confused.
Okay.
Finger off the trigger, rack around. There you go. Now remember, that has kind of a short trigger, so just keep your focus on your front sight post and squeeze it. You know, don't jerk the trigger.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. I think you're already doing better than I did. Oh yeah. Okay, keep your head pointed down range. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in on the target now. Okay. Holy cow, Alex, you got two right together in the black.
Really?
Yeah, now concentrate because that one was a flyer. Keep your concentration. Just squeeze the trigger. Focus on the front sight post. That was a good one.
How many is in here?
I don't know. Just try. When it locks back, it'll be done.
But...
I'm not seeing them. Are you shooting at the bottom right?
Yes, Dad, I am.
Okay. I saw that one.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah. Take the magazine out. There you go. Now rack it just to. Now point in a safe direction. Pull the trigger. There you go. Now let's go down and measure. I got a measuring tape to measure our groups. Look, Alex. Those three are yours, buddy.
Yeah.
And I think this one's yours too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, I missed a lot.
Huh?
I missed a lot.
No, but son, that group is still, you know, what is that? 6 inches or so at 30 feet. For a 12-year-old, that's pretty good. That's really good. So, let's see, I can't remember. Let's see, the Glock. What is that circle? That circle is about 7.5 inches. That's the Glock 19. This was the, anyway, I'll have to look. That's a nice tight group. 3 inches. It's pretty good.
Yep.
Well, I think we did pretty good. We got all of our 5 pistols on paper at 30 feet. And these targets are 10 by 12, I think. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Ready?
Oh, where'd those people come?
They're in the rafters, man.
Get them.
Oh, beautiful Sunday morning.